So the second part of part B says export the audio as E128.mp3 at 128 kilobits per second, and then we've got to export it again as E256.mp3 at 256 kilobits per second. So in order to do this, you go back to Audacity. Here is our mp3 file that we're working with. To export an mp3 file, you go to File at the top, go down to Export, Export as mp3, and now instead of having preset, we're going to click on Constant, and then we're just going to change the quality to the quality that is stated in the question. So the first file, E128.mp3, must be 128 kilobits per second. So we're going to choose not 192, but 128 kilobits per second. And then we'll type in the name of the file that they mentioned there, which is E128. So remember, you don't have to type the .mp3, that just tells you what the file format is, and it is exporting it as an mp3. So just remember where it's going to be exporting to, so you can go and find this file once it's imported. So then you just click on Save, and click on OK for this window that appears. So we'll export the file. You can then go and have a look if it's working. And now we're going to export it again. So export the audio now as E256 at 256 kilobits per second. So again, to export as an mp3 file, go to File at the top, Export, Export as mp3. Make sure it's constant this time. The name is E256, and we're going to change the quality to now 256 as stated in the question. And now we just hit Save, hit OK, and it will export that file for us. And that's it.